One of the things that I love about my job is hearing success stories from my customers. For example, last year, a contractor from Connecticut called me and told me that he just landed a $150,000 shake job with very tight access. He purchased the Equipter, and we expedited the Equipter to him so that he could have it there in time to start the job. And when I talked to him a month later, he was super happy with what the Equipter had done for him on that job. Not only did they use the Equipter to tear off the wooden shakes, but they also used it to lift new decking to the roof because they had to resheet the whole job as well. And he actually told me that the RB4000 paid for itself on that job alone. And that's one of the things I love hearing from my customers. I've lost count of the amount of customers that have told me that the RB4000 paid for itself on the very first job that they used it on.